In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital downloads on Wix. Whether you're an artist, a photographer, or a creator of unique digital content, selling downloads on Wix can be a great way to reach your audience and generate income. So, let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, we need to head over to the Wix website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now, so you have access to all your site management tools. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the menu where it says Catalog. Give that a click. This is going to take you to your product list where everything you're currently selling or planning to sell is managed. From here, you'll want to click Start Product. This option might seem self-explanatory, but it's where you can see an overview of all your existing products. Now look for the option that lets you add a new product by clicking New Product. This feature allows you to populate your store with fresh offerings, and it's where things start getting exciting for your digital sales. Next, click on Digital File. It's crucial to select this because it differentiates a digital product from a physical one in your store's back end. Now, you'll be prompted to upload your digital file. This might be the central component of what you're selling, whether it's an ebook, a digital print, music files, or any other format. Click the Upload File button, and from your computer or cloud storage, locate the file you wish to sell and upload it. After you have your file uploaded, it's time to enter all the necessary information that will present your digital download to potential buyers. Start by entering the product's name. Choose something that's enticing but also descriptive. You want to capture attention and make the purpose of your digital download clear at first glance. Following the name, input a detailed description. This is crucial as it informs your potential buyers what exactly they're getting and why they need it. Highlight the unique features and benefits of your product. Next, set the price. As you determine the price, think about its value in the market and what price point would appeal to your target audience. Being competitive yet profitable is key. Once you've filled in all these details, it's a good idea to double-check all the other necessary information to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Finally, once you've reviewed all your entries and are satisfied, click Save. This will finalize your product setup and place it in your store, ready for customers to purchase. And there you have it. Your digital download is now set up on Wix, ready to be discovered by your audience. Don't forget to share your online store on social media and through your networks to boost sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling.